Good evening.
First question, who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Hema Kaul, and it's really nice because I believe she's going to be here this evening.
Okay, any secret that you would love to reveal from the things that are going to happen inside?
Secret? Well, it's a secret, so how can I reveal it? No.
Would you just reveal to us कि क्या होगा, आप क्या करने वाले हैं?
मैं
Plan करके आई हैं आप?
No, I think you have to go inside to take a look. It's much nicer when you don't reveal secrets.
Tanita, this is not for the event, but recently Supreme Court has passed a rule saying that the live-in relation couples should be considered as married couples. So do you think that in our country, which has so much of culture and tradition in it, do you think that the marriage value will go down because of this rule that has come out?
See, I think in today's day and age, people are growing and we have to evolve with the way that things are going. You cannot be so stuck. Marriage is a marriage of the mind. So if two people have been living together for many years, they are somewhere in their minds already married. So it's not a piece of paper that tells you you're married. It's in your heart and in your head that tells you you're married. And I think it's amazing if the Supreme Court is going to be progressive enough to recognize these relationships. I think yes, democracy is about growing and being progressive.
Okay, just a fun question. Anyone in Bollywood or Hollywood who you desire to have a live-in relationship?
Oh my God, Wolverine, Hugh Jackman.
That is because you are a huge fan of him.
I'm a huge fan, yes.
Thank you.
Come, Disha, stand. Thank you. Disha, video back. What do they want me to say? You'll ask me after. Hi.
जनरल तो कितनी एक्साइटेड हैं आज कि आप इस अवार्ड नाइट
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ। आई थिंक कि ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट है। यू नो नाउडेज जो पहले नॉर्मल फिल्म्स के लिए अवार्ड्स होते थे, आजकल फैशन के लिए भी हो रहे हैं। आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी एक्साइटिंग एंड मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मैं यहाँ हूँ आज।
आपके ड्रेस के बारे में क्या कहना
एक्चुअली आई एम वेयरिंग दिस वेरी, आप देख नहीं सकते लेकिन
थोड़ा ना डर लुक की तरह।
आप देख नहीं सकते लेकिन इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल ड्रेस एंड इट्स बाय नेहा अग्रवाल। उनके स्प्रिंग समर कलेक्शन से है। सो या आई थिंक इट्स लुकिंग रियली नाइस।
लेकिन वो एक इवेंट से नहीं है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रिसेंटली एक रूल पास किया है।
सॉरी क्या?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने एक रूल पास किया है कि जो भी लिव इन कपल्स है ना, उनको मैरिड कपल कंसिडर किया जाएगा। डू यू थिंक कि जो मैरिज की वैल्यू है हमारे देश में वो कहीं ना कहीं कम हो जाएगी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रूल दैट हैज कम?
I think कि marriage is a very sacred entity and I feel कि whenever anyone decides, जब दो लोग decide करते हैं कि उन्हें शादी करनी है, it's a very sacred bond. So I feel that you can't just play around with that and you can't just say that okay now you know आप साथ रह रहे हो तो आपकी शादी हो गई. Because I think marriage needs much more. It's a very pure form. So I think that there's much more that is, you know, other than living with each other, there's much more that marriage needs. So yeah.
So do you agree with this rule that has come out, or do you have a...
I think that couples that live together, I don't think that they are considered to be married, not according to me.
Okay, second, okay, one last. If given a chance, who will be that Bollywood actor or Hollywood actor who you would love to be in a live-in relation?
Hi. Parents ये देख रहे तो I don't know. I think it doesn't make a difference if it's Bollywood or Hollywood, but if I could meet someone, it would be Ryan Gosling. Love him.
हॉलीवुड से याद आई, ये मैडम बोल रही थी कि आप डकोटा जॉनसन की तरह लगती हैं।
ओह सच में, ठीक है। यहाँ भी एक 50 Shades कर ले फिर। I may be doing, but cannot talk. Can't talk right now.
Diksha, any upcoming project?
Can't talk about them. That's what he just asked me. I said I can't. I'm not allowed to speak. Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अंदर से आप आ रही है, पहली ऐसी महिला है जो अंदर से आ रही है, तो बाहर से आ रही है।
नहीं, एक्चुअली आपने बुलाया था इसलिए आई हूँ।
अंदर का क्या कुछ माहौल है, कुछ बताना चाहेंगे आप?
अंदर माहौल एक्चुअली वार्म अप हो रहा है. Everybody is getting down to having a good time. Everybody has a glass in their hands and there's a lot of chitter chatter. There's a good buzz. So I think the warm up बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है and I think it's going to be a great show.
और ये कुछ रेड रोज टाइप्स का आपने लगाया है यहाँ, हाँ, ये क्या है? I think ये कुछ different है.
This is not a red rose. You'll have to ask Archana Rao what it is, but it's more like taken from menswear, where they put in a handkerchief in their pocket. So it's taken from that, yeah.
There is one question for you, which is
Yeah.
not from this event. Supreme Court recently has passed a rule that the live-in relation couples will be considered as married couples after a certain period that they live in live-in relation. So do you think that in our country the value of the marriage will go down because of this rule that has come out?
I think we just sort of have made a really big deal about marriage because it's very important, so to say, between two people to, in their hearts and in their minds, really commit to each other. As true as it is that marriage is an institution, I think it really begins from your own heart and your commitment towards one another. So putting a stamp on it or just living in together and feeling like married and fulfilling all your responsibilities as a couple towards maybe both families, all extended relationships, I think that's what matters most. Yeah, I don't think one can label things and then have more meaning to them, and if you don't label them, I think it's of no value. So I think that answers your question.
Yeah, I know, but people out here idealize you guys as their idol. So, and this trend has also come from Bollywood. There are many Bollywood actors who in past have had a live-in relation and who are married or who are not together.
Correct.
Do you think it's because of them that this rule has come out and it's now in trend, as that you can say?
I don't think something like this can be in trend. I think it's most important to first be comfortable with the whole idea of two people. For example, if me and my partner hypothetically were to do this and were to live in, I don't think I'm trying to set in an example. In fact, if there is an example that I am setting, it is also to say that yes, I want to know the person more before I make such a big decision of my life, because as an institution, socially, in the culture that we sort of have grown up living in, it's very important to keep the sanctity of the term and of the label or of the institution marriage. So if some people want to take time before getting into that and making that commitment more social and more public, I think it's absolutely fair. And I personally, I think I would encourage people to spend more time in getting to know them rather than in a more of a hasty sort of a decision and rush into meeting somebody, dating somebody, and feeling it to be the most perfect match and getting into marriage and jumping into it. I think so. The sanctity of a marriage remains protected, according to me, because I've had a live-in myself, in the past, and that's when I decided that I never would ever again have a live-in. But I think with time you change, and with time you grow, and as maturity sort of sets in and dwells into you, you understand that socially putting pressure on yourself that this is what Bollywood actors are doing, and this is I'm saying for the youth of today, this is what Bollywood actors are doing, so I should be doing this. No, I think it's very important to look at what icons are doing in the right perspective. So, yeah.
But do you support this kind of rule that has come out? Do you think it's right on the government's part to come up with this rule that they have come up with?
I think it's fair. I won't think that it's unfair and unjust because, beyond a point, after so many years of living in, I'm sure two people feel committed and married to each other anyway in their hearts. And I think to really structurize that and say, okay, you know what, let's say you're living in, I'm sorry, but I'm not aware of the number of, the time frame that they've set in. More than 2 years. So I think it's fair to sort of structurize it and say that since you have been living in for 2 years, if you choose to, I think very well go ahead with it, and we would declare you married in the eyes of the law. I think it's fair. I would again say that if you look at this in the right perspective, I would say that it still sort of secures and safeguards the sanctity of marriage because two people have been living together, right, for 2 years. So I'm all for a live-in, by the way.
Okay, one last question. If given a chance, which Bollywood actor or Hollywood actor would you love to